everyone. Today we've got a drama performance for you which will be a space jump battle. Space jump is an improvised game where we start with one person on stage and we give them a scene, then they'll start acting until I call freeze. Next a new person comes up and then changes the scene using the frozen image and starts acting until I call freeze again. This continues until there are 5 people on stage and we've seen 5 different scenes. To finish it off, the students need to find a reason to leave and then they revert back to the previous scenes. It kind of sounds confusing, but it's easy to watch, so you'll be fine.
Because this is a battle, we'll ask for your applause at the end to crown the winning team. And today we have the Level 2 and Level 3 drama class doing space jump. Regan and Ryan aren't in the, Regan and Ryan are year 13s, but are in both the Level 2 and Level 3 drama class and have chosen to perform with the Level 3s. Okay, so we're going to begin with the Level 2 drama class. Can we have a volunteer to start us off?
Alright, so for the Level 2 class, can I have a scene for Devon to start off with? Okay, yeah, you're right. Getting ready for a date. Let's go.
Dang! Damn! Oh, I'm so excited for my date. Let's go. How could she resist it?
Freeze! Alright, who's going to come in next and change scene?
Oh, Jesus now! You've been infected with a demon soul now!
Oh, say it, man.
Oh, no, let's see, let's go! Freeze!
Alright, let's go with him.
Hola! My name is Dora, and this is Hola! Do you see Swiper? Is he to my left? There he is! Everyone with me!
Swipe it up! Swipe it!
Alright, next. Right, last one.
Now, if you're going to hit the post,
Can we get a statement?
Life is a beautiful
Beautiful baby.
I'm just going to go clean her up.
Want to pause up? This is how I like it now.
Give me my bag!
You know what? Fine. I'll give it up. Mecco.
You have been blessed. You have been blessed.
Oh,
You have been
thank
blessed.
you. Oh,
God bless you.
oh, man.
God bless you.
Oh,
Oh, I can't believe she resisted all of this.
who steals a show on a date anyway?
Alright, so well done to those Level 2s. Now can I have a volunteer from the Level 3 class? Well done, very good. Alright, from the Level 3 class, can I have a scene? Start off with
A snare. You're a robot.
a salesperson, information. Yep.
Right, today we've got here the sexy egg machine to get sexy to find egg. Drop shot, guys! Drop! Strike! Get up! Shoot now! Now! Fight! How much time around the outside?
Slow motion replay. See where the streaker comes in about. Rolling. Doors. Slow motion replay.
Get on! Stop there and shoot! Wait, stop, let. Mom! Where's my lunch?
Right, for only 4 payments, this 60 Ed machine here can be yours for only $49.99.
Alright guys, so we're just going to have like a bit of a clap off to see who's going to be the winner. I've got some chocolate bars for the winners. So can I please have a round of applause for the level 2 class?